So, good day everyone. I'm Rich John Semiliano, and today focuses on how to finding the slope. So first is we need to memorize the formula of the slope, which is this. M M is equal to y sub 2 y sub 2 minus y sub 1 and over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, paano natin o how can we define what is the y sub 2 and y sub 1 and x sub 2 and x sub 1? So, example, like this. So, the 1 and negative 1, 3 and negative 2. So, the x sub 1 is that, and the y sub 1 is that. The x sub 1 is this, and y sub 1 is this. Same with the another points. So, the x sub 2 is 3 and the y sub 2 and the y sub 2 is this. So, nakuha na natin kung yung o we define what is the x sub 1, y sub 1 and x sub 2 and y sub 2. So, we can solve this equation. The x sub y sub 2 is, so the y sub 2 is equal to 2. 2 ba? 2. Minus the y sub 1, which is 1. So, open parenthesis natin kasi negative. So, over 3. The x sub 2 is the x sub 2. X sub 2 is 3 and x sub 1 is 1. So, next we solve this equation. So, 2, first is we need to multiply these 2. So, we can solve that. Negative times negative is equal to positive. So, 2 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And our slope, and 2, so our slope is this. As our slope for this equation is m is equal to 3. So, isa naman. Erase lang natin para may space. So, our slope for this equation is 3. Next is